what just happened. I literally screwed up the actual last part, and I stopped the video. I'm so frustrated. But we're gonna do this again. All right. So part A, you're just labeling the local maximum. So I'm going to label this A right here. I don't think it's asking for like the actual coordinates. So I just put A because that's the maximum. It's the high point. And then B is obviously the low point, which we're not assuming, but appears right on the y-axis. So I labeled B down there. So here's where it gets a little cray, Miss Hope. It says write down the interval where fx equals 0. So in my calculator, I went ahead and put the equation in, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5. So basically, when you are finding this interval, it's asking like when it's below 0, which technically means like when it's negative. So the only time when it's negative is when it's going from point A to point B. So you're going to find the interval in between those 2 points. So basically, you are going to hit second calc, and then I'm going to do the maximum first because that's A, and I'm going to go all the way onto the left side of the maximum, and then I'm going to go on the right side of the maximum, and I'm going to go to guess, and the x is negative 1.3333, whatever. And you're gonna only use the x-axis. That's important. Not the x-axis, but the x coordinate. What is that called? Oh, so C, work it out. I'm gonna put negative 1.33 right there because we're gonna stop at 3 sig figs, and then I'm going to put my less than sign, and then I'm going to put x in the middle, and then I'm going to put less than again because we're gonna find the minimum because that is the end of our interval. And you're gonna hit second calc, and you're gonna hit 3, and you're gonna go to your minimum over here, and we're gonna do our left bound quick, and then we're gonna do a right bound click, and then we're going to do our middle point, and the x is 0. What a coincidence. And then you are going to have 0 right there. So right over here, you are going to write negative 1.33 is less than x is less than 0. So that is my answer to C. Those are A and B, obviously. So now D says draw the tangent to the curve at x equals 1. So I would say 1 is like right here at this part of the line. So I don't have a ruler, so I'm just going to sketch this out a little bit so you can see my line from earlier. I have like a headache. I think I get migraines. But yeah, that is my tangent line. She's not anything special, but she gets the job done. So that's D. And then E is where it gets a little... I don't know why E is in here. She was not invited. But okay, so there is E. And it's asking for the equation of the tangent at x equals negative 1. So basically, what I did, I hit y right here, and then I hit second calc, and I hit value because value like goes with the x values, and we're trying to find x equals 1, right? So I put 1 in there, and then I hit enter, and with this, I already had the x value, but I found the y value now, and that is very important for putting it in the equation. You know what I mean? To find the ending equation. So I'm going to start off with y, obviously. Y minus, and this is where you're going to put your y value, y minus negative 2 equals 7 parentheses x minus 1, which is your x value. So that is your kind of beginning equation right there. And then we are just going to kind of simplify. I don't know if distribute. That's what I meant. So y plus 2, I don't know why I thought that was before, equals 7x minus 7, okay? And then we're going to combine like terms, obviously. So you're going to have y equals 7x, and then you're going to subtract 2 from here, and you're going to subtract 2 from here, so it ultimately equals -9. So we're going to put this over here. This is where I messed up last time, and I was like really frustrated. So y equals 7x minus 9, not 3. Okay, so y equals 7x minus 9. So that's my answer, that's my answer, that's my answer as well. Thank you. Have a great... Oh, also, I'm like sorry I write like this. They taught me how to do it in kindergarten, so... Wait a minute. I like also get these weird little things on my finger, and it kind of hurts like during the SAT and stuff. Look at my fingers. Okay, bye.